Number 1. Welcome Hotel Vadodara. One of the best 5-star hotels in Vadodara, the Welcome Hotel makes you feel at home from the moment you enter the gates. Warm smiles, attentive staff, and quintessential ITC hospitality are sure to make this one of your favorite hotels in the city. Well-maintained spick and span rooms are perfectly complemented by the delicious food and excellent spread at the restaurant as well as coffee shop. Emulating the stepwells of Gujarat, this fantastic property is built around the swimming pool and seamlessly blends 5-star amenities with the traditional Gujarati hospitality. Number 2. Vivanta Vadodara. Vivanta stands majestically overlooking the Lakshmi Villas Palace, which is 3 kilometers away. The central bus terminal and Vadodara railway station are located within 2 kilometers. Vadodara Airport is located at a distance of 9 kilometers and Ahmedabad International Airport is 120 kilometers. This luxurious 5-star hotel offers a spa, fitness center and outdoor pool. Air-conditioned guest rooms are fitted with a desk, a safety box, DTH channels and LCD screens. The ensuite bathrooms comes with toiletries and shower. Number 3. Grand Mercure Vadodara Surya Palace. This luxurious 5-star property is one of the best hotels in Vadodara near railway station, offering unmatched comfort and luxury at a price that won't pinch your pocket. The elegantly decorated marble-floored spacious rooms offer all modern amenities, and the ever-attentive staff ensure you have a memorable stay at Grand Mercure. The sumptuous spread of Indian and continental delicacies at Azure Restaurant and gourmet confectioneries at Vanilla Coffee Shop are the highlight of your stay. Number 4. Sayaji Hotel Vadodara. This brand new 4-star hotel with an impressive lobby, impeccable interiors and awe-inspiring design is one of the finest 4-star hotels in Vadodara. The professional and welcoming staff, rooftop pool, myriad food options and a no tipping policy is some of the best reasons for booking your stay at Sayaji. What's more, the hotel also offers complimentary airport transfers with every room you book, making this a steal deal for the price you pay for this lavish stay. It is also very conveniently located to the popular tourist attractions like the Sayaji Bog Zoo and Lakshmi Vilas Palace. Number 5. Eastern Residences Vadodara. This quiet modern hotel will charm you with its warm hospitality and soothing decor from the time you step into the lobby. Every room is elegantly decorated, tastefully furnished and equipped with a kitchenette, walk-in wardrobe and other comforts that make you feel right at home. The elaborate breakfast buffet spread is a great start to the day, while the frequent food festivals at the in-house restaurant gives you a taste of local cuisine along with international delicacies. One of the best 4-star hotels in Vadodara, East Inn is a great choice for an extended stay in the city. Number 6. Royal Orchard Central. Overlooking the gorgeous Vadodara Palace, Royal Orchard is a wonderful property in the heart of the city. Unmatched hospitality, elegant interiors, spacious rooms and a well-equipped fitness center make it one of the most sought-after star hotels in Vadodara. The wooden flooring in the rooms adds a touch of warmth to the decor and interiors. The Pink's restaurant has a wide buffet selection both for complimentary breakfast and other meals. Number 7. Lemon Tree Hotel Vadodara. Dependable as always, Lemon Tree is one of the best 4-star budget hotels in Vadodara, offering modern amenities, great sleep quality and proximity to the railway station. The in-house restaurant offers delicious food and Chef Shyam is a guest favorite for dishing out customized delights. You can relish the sumptuous dinner buffet with live music. Located at walking distance from the Sayaji Bog Zoo and many fast food joints, Lemon Tree Vadodara is a great choice for business travelers as well as families visiting the city. Number 8. The Fern Residency. Located next to the central bus terminal and right opposite the railway station, the Fern Residency is a recommended option for budget hotels in Vadodara and a great base to explore the city. Right from the warm welcome by the reception staff to the prompt room service, the hotel makes you feel right at home. With a cozy and comfortable ambience and an excellent in-house restaurant, this Vadodara hotel won't disappoint you. Number 9. Ginger Vadodara RCR. One of the top picks for budget hotels in Vadodara, Ginger is hugely popular for its polite, proactive and helpful staff. Swift and seamless check-in, well-appointed rooms and modern no-frills interiors are some of the highlights. The sumptuous lunch and dinner buffet spread at an unbelievable price ensures you won't feel like heading out of your meals while staying at Ginger. There is a fitness center for the health enthusiasts and the popular Seven Seas Mall is just a 5-minute walk away. Number 10. The Pacific Hotel. The Pacific Hotel, located in the Akota area, is a popular choice for travelers. From here, guests can make the most of all that the lively city has to offer. With its convenient location, the property offers easy access to the city's must-see destinations. First-rate services and facilities that define the Oyo Rooms experience awaits you at Oyo 8262 The Pacific Hotel. The property provides free Wi-Fi in all rooms, room service, airport transfers, newspapers to ensure the greatest comfort. Hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.